Hey, what's going on again, guys? What's going on? Dre again with Hartman Adventures. Yeah, in our backyard today, I do a little bit of stuff. Today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to one and all. Everyone who's playing a very important role in someone's life, playing a father figure, or actually being a great dad. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to my dad as well. Happy Father's Day to my brothers. Happy Father's Day to all of my brethren them. Everyone will support me. Everyone will support Hartman Adventures. Today is also my birthday. Today is also my wife's birthday. So happy birthday, babes. Happy birthday to myself. So you guys just stay tuned on today's adventure. What we're going to do is we're going to cook some whelks. So last night I go do some fishing. Thing did slow, no bite now run, so get some whelks, find some whelks. I did start clean them up last night, but it went too late, so I just pause that and then continue this morning. Ain't really want to do no banging because you have to kind of beat them to tenderize them, but it went too late, so I'm not bang nothing to make no neighbor wake up or call police for me and then nonsense there. So I was serious side today. I did already start cleaning them up from last night. So I finished cleaning them up and doing cooking today. So stay tuned. Remember to hit the like button, share, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, and stay tuned. We'll be right back with you. Hartman Adventures at them, man. Alright guys, I'm there. Try see if I can find some whelks. I want to do some curry whelks. Don't have the correct light for my camera. Thought I put it in my bag, but it's the wrong light I put in my bag. So these lights probably make the video flicker, but I'm gonna try my best to see how much I can clean them up. See one right there, so alright, so one of the whelks here, guys. The one is small. I don't think I'm going to keep that one here. Whoa. Don't think I'm going to keep that one here. The one is small, so put him back. See if we can find some of the bigger one then. Yeah. It's a nice big one here. Yeah. This is a nice one. Nice size whelks this. Trust me guys, them thing here, they eat like conch. They're very nice. See two more of them, eh? Huh? Yeah. Sometimes it depends how you keep them. Alright. It's quite a few of them on the stone now, so. Yeah, man. Whelks catch and cook. Watch your son. Watch your size on it. Yeah, man. Yes, man. The one there, yeah. The one them they watch a big man. Wait. Oh, over there so. The one them they watch a bigger than them one low dunga. Huh? So you don't want to cut breed? Eh? You don't want to cut breed? Yeah. Quick cut breed, man. You're young, see him, you know? Look at my left one now. Where? Look at no man. Under this up. This? No under it, man. No under it. Man, say no one cut no breed, sir. Huh? Much me gone? No one, sir. Them not good with me one. So you know if you make 4, man? You? Wait for me. Can't wait for me, yeah. Remember say you go on further than me, nah. Remember say you go along further than me in a age, you know. Nobody wait till the back dry up. Eh? You wait till the back dry up. Hear that, guys? But say no want no more Whelks star. Whelks make you cut breed. You know nobody go say over here, so I hear. Yeah man, tomorrow Father's Day. All I man them come off a gelding truck yet. In Dunga. Man them still there on the gelding truck. Hold it on. One them up as a bigger man. I'm not put my head down in the water to look on the stone, brother. Huh? Put on my phone, man. All you have to do is just boil hot water and drop them in it. And then go dead. And you see one staying dead? You just use like something and pull them out of the shell. You have to beat them though, because they stay like a conch. Yeah, it's tough. Hold them up. Whoa. You soak, huh? You soak, my boy. You see no more? Up on it. Oh. You want to press it? Huh? Yeah. Three of them. No, so 3 stone them up there so hardly in the water. See, it splash up straight on my ears. Straight on my ears, the water go a while ago when it splash, you know. Yeah, man. I come then, just I come out and now still. By later you probably see only more of them come up. Stone there sharp, you're free. Then hardly up here. Yeah, so we just reached home. It's about maybe after 11 now. Yeah, we just reached home. I have the Whelks in a bucket right there, so I have some water on the fire in our house. On the stove. They go and boil up. So as soon as them they done boil up, then I'll bring out the water outside and then clean them up. I don't really want to leave the Whelks them in a bucket until the morning because don't want them dead, and if them dead I can't use them. Yeah, so I'll clean them up from tonight. Just put the boiling water upon them, clean them up, and then season them up. Tomorrow I'm gonna cook. Yeah, so water ready now. Boiling water right there, so yeah, so I'm just drop them in a boiling water like that. Drop all of them in a boiling water. And that I go just kill them instantly. So much of them need catch. Jaja. I don't know if they can hold, all of them can hold in this water here, guys. all of them still live because we did have the bait bubbler on. See me. Just trying to mix them around. Make sure it's everything submerged in our hot water. Yeah man. See them there? Just make sure it's everything submerged. Just give them a little mix. Make sure it's everything submerged. Hot water there on everything. And I'll just leave them in there for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. Everybody's supposed to dead by that time there, and it's supposed to easy if it come out of the shell. So I'll give them on 10 minutes and then come back and start take them out of the shell and show you. Yeah man, so while I go and wait for them to loosen up in the shell, I will go and prepare some of them seasoning, yeah, some natural seasoning, some onion, scallion, some thyme, garlic, little piece of ginger, hot pepper. Yeah man, just go and deal with some of them, yeah, in the meantime. Yeah. And just go and deal with some of them in the meantime, so I can season them up, yeah. Knife is sharp like razor. I have the knife for a couple of years now. I buy. I think at Kingston I ain't gonna buy the knife, you know. Absolutely love using the knife. Yeah man, just crush some garlic, strip off the shell. Yeah man, remember you know guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well. Kinda keep my voice a little bit low cause nobody must sleep, yeah? Nobody must sleep. So yeah, kinda have to keep my voice a little bit low. So apologies if it sound a little bit low. But that's where you go sometime. Yeah man, wash my ginger. Now cut up the ginger and I just go crush the ginger them little bit. Just go crush the ginger a little bit. And drop it in the hole just the same. So once everything done, you can find the ginger easy and take it out. Yeah, basically almost 12 o'clock now. So you can almost see I'm earth strong. Yeah, earth strong man. Father's Day and I'm earth strong just the same. And guess what? Ash earth strong just the same. So yeah, if you guys didn't know that, yeah, you know that now me and my wife born on the same exact day. Just a couple hours apart. Eh? Yeah man, so send her your birthday wishes in our comment section, guys. Send her your birthday wishes in our comment section. Yeah man, big up to her. Happy birthday babes. I know you will have a really good day because you'll be chilling out with family and we are going to enjoy with it. So yeah, just smash the ginger them a little bit. I cut up all the pepper in it. Because you know curry have your pepper. Yes man. Seeds and everything. Cut up all the pepper here. Yeah man. Just give them a rough chop. Just mince up them garlic a little bit. Yes man. How much of you guys ever eat whelks or ever prepare it? Let me know in the comment section man. Let me know how much you ever prepare whelks or how much you ever eat it. What do you think about it? I actually enjoy it. I think it tastes like conch. If I did have some okra and thing, I probably would have steamed them in some file paper like conch. I've never done it like that before. I always just curry them. But yeah. Just rough chop them onion. Them in there so. Yes, man. Scallion done chop. So, switch the camera to the other side because I notice the overhead light did give one glare in our footage. So switch the camera to the other side. So hopefully you guys can still see what I go on. See me? Yeah. I see me can get out some of my whelks out of the shell. Normally me use a toothpick, but I have what you call this now? This is like something that I use when I eat crab. Use this to pick the crab. Yeah. So this me use to take them out of the shell. But if you don't have one of this, you can use a toothpick or you can use a skewer or a small knife. But I prefer to use this. This work fast for me. So I use this. Blow out them hot. No blues clues see me. Shell them hot. Alright, so you do it like that and you just slide right out of the shell. See that? Just use this and you slide right out of the shell. If you boil them long enough, then you just slide out the shell with the toothpick same way. But as you see, when you really boil them, you just put hot water upon them. So it's a little bit harder if you come out of the shell. But if you boil them long enough, you can use a toothpick and just slide right out of the shell. But I use this right now. Alright, so when you clean them up now, what you want to do is you have the part right here. So this is a part where them normally use for seal the shell when they go back in the shell. They normally use this for seal the shell. So you want to take off this. It almost feel like a softer shell, but it's not really a shell. Also you want to take off this little part right there. So these are like the intestines and them stuff there. So you want to clean that off as well. Clean that off. Clean up the meat as best as possible. And kind of just scrape this off. Look kind of green, but you can just scrape them off. Yeah. You can just scrape that off. And what I'm left with is just nice white meat will look like conch meat. See that? Yeah, so you're left with that. It look like conch meat. You just scrape off all of them here. And just clean them up. Clean them up nice. So yeah. I'll see if I can go through a couple more of them. I'll do one more so I can see how to get them out of the shell. Alright, see another one come out of the shell. Now we do the same thing for this. You just hold it right there so. Hot, now blows close. Clean out them intestine. Clean up all of them part here. Cut off this right down here so. And you're left with this. And then you just scrape them off, you see me? Kinda a little bit slimy now, but once you scrape them off and wash them off, you're good. No slime. Just scrape them off and wash them off. Yeah, so as you can see from the video I did start the last night, I did already have my seasoning them cut up from last night. So this is Whelks. We clean up and everything now. It's not a lot, even though you did see that much shell. When you take them out and clean them up, it's not a lot. So you're going to have to add like some potato and some carrot and stuff there to kind of build up, you know, make it look a bit enough. So yeah, this then clean up your house and I just give them a quick wash. Also I go beat them a little bit because they're kind of tough. This is just one little counter mortar where you use to crush like your seasoning and thing. Yes, I'm just get a pin from it. I don't even know what this name. Mallet. I don't know any. So I just get that and use that to go and beat them. Yeah, that's the last one. That's the last one. Yeah, so I have some pimento seed, chop them, put them in it. Some curry, all purpose, another type of all purpose. So see if we can get them going. Wash them pimento seed quick. Get yourself some pimento seed, man. You can't do a Jamaican say you don't have pimento seed in your yard to cook with. You have to get some pimento seed, and if you're overseas, try to get some pimento seed. You have to have this in your kitchen. I'm just a rough chop them right now, chop them up as fine as possible. Yeah, man. Give them a quick chopping, yeah. In there with the pimento. Get some all-purpose. Some more all-purpose. Hit that. Yeah, man, see it there? Get them seasoned up well and proper. Already smell nice, guys. Smell nice. Yeah, see it there? Alright, so I'm gonna get some of them I already cut up from last night. Some scallion and onion, garlic, some of the pepper. Get them on the same time. Now I use all light right now because I want some of it go in there when I put on the curry there. So just rub them in. Trust me, you know, trust me guys, you want to smell this. It smells like you're ready for eat already. Yeah, man, see it there? Yeah, man. That smell like you're ready for eat already. Pepper smell nice. Alright, get some butter in there. Alright, some curry. Back up, Ellie. This is hot. Alright, so adding the rest of the seasoning them in this. Alright, so I'm adding this now. Adding the whelks. Yes, man. I smell that already, guys. Trust me. Can smell the seasoning in that, you know, man. Thyme. Can smell the piment and the garlic. Can smell the ginger. Right, so I have my coconut milk right now. Just pour in the coconut milk. Alright, so now I have a carrot here, so I'm just peel it and just chop it. Drop it in there. Carrot, you have to cook quickly. Can't cut them really big. I'm gonna add another onion. This I want really small onion, so add one more onion. Alright, so I have a bean right here, so just drain off the water quick. Drain off the water off my bean. And just add that. Ooh. Guys, if you smell this, you should smell this. Pretty. Wanna try? Well, Ash go try, but she don't want to show up on camera now because she says she not camera already. So she will tell you what she think.
No, really? I've never had it.
So what do you think?
It's good. It's a little spicy.
It's spicy.
Little
Curry
bit.
of eat with spice, man.
It's good.
Yes, man.
Really good.
Alright, guys, so Ash just try. She say it's good, really good. I don't know if this is the first time she's having it, but the last time when I cook it, she wasn't here. So I don't know if this is the first time she's having it. My turn to get a taste. Oh, that's spicy. Nice. Yeah, man. Nice. Yes, man. Come have a look, guys. Come have a look. Come have a look. Look at that. Oi, oi. Yes, man. So that is it, you know, guys. I'm kind of up on a rush now. I'm supposed to go somewhere. I'm supposed to go meet up with Ashley's parents. So I'm on a rush now. I have no time to go really cook some rice and share with this. But basically, this is how you would cook and prepare whelks. If you do it a different way, let me know in the comment section how you do it. Or if this is your first time seeing how it is prepared, let me know that as well in the comment section. So until next time, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys think about this catch and cook. So let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next video.